Ever feel like your phone is secretly plotting against you? You're chilling on the couch, scrolling through your feed, minding your own business, and suddenly, bam, notifications flood in like it's the apocalypse. You're trapped in a whirlwind of pings and buzzes, desperately trying to keep up. It's like your phone's conspiring to keep you glued to the screen forever. Now let's take a step back and wonder, how did we even get here? It's like the digital age sneaked up on us while we were busy perfecting our selfie angles. You see, the struggle to balance our lives with this vortex of social media can be a real roller coaster. And not the fun kind, you know, the one that makes your stomach flip-flop. But hey, don't sweat it. We've got your back. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide on kicking that phone and social media addiction to the curb. And guess what? It's going to be an adventurous ride filled with quirky tips, relatable anecdotes, and maybe even a dash of silliness, because why not? So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey to regain control over our screens and reclaim our moments of pure, unadulterated living. The addiction trap. Radiant rebels, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of this phone and social media frenzy. Imagine this. You open an app just to check a message, and before you know it, you've traveled down a rabbit hole of cat videos, memes, and random facts about celebrity pets. It sounds familiar. It's like a black hole sucking you into a vortex of endless scrolling, and suddenly, it's 2 a.m. on a school night. Did you know? Studies show that the average person spends around 3 hours per day on social media. That's like binge watching your favorite show every day, except it's not just entertainment, it's a digital addiction. And let's not forget the phantom vibrations. Yeah, those moments when you swear your phone buzzed. But in reality, it's just your mind playing tricks on you, begging for that dopamine hit. Ever felt the urge to check your phone right after waking up? Guilty as charged, right? You're not alone. Research even says that 80% of smartphone users check their phones within 15 minutes of waking up. It's like our phones are alarm clocks, and our morning routines revolve around notifications more than breakfast. But fear not, my fellow rebels, for humor is our secret weapon. Think of it this way. If phone addiction were a sport, we'd all be gold medalists by now. We've got stories for days. Like the time you walked into a poll while texting or accidentally liked a post from 3 years ago while stalking someone's profile. Yep, we've all been in those cringe-worthy situations. So while we laugh at our phone-related mishaps, let's also take a moment to understand the science behind this addiction and how we can break free from this digital spell. Because hey, life's too awesome to experience solely through a screen. Share this insightful video. Let's reach 1,000 subscribers together and empower more lives. Understanding phone and social media addiction. Let's break down the concept of addiction in the world of phones and social media. You see, addiction isn't just about substances like chocolate or video games, although those can be addictive too. Addiction is when something becomes so important to you that you feel like you can't do without it. It's like when your phone feels glued to your hand, and checking social media becomes an automatic reflex, even when you know you should be doing something else. In the phone and social media realm, addiction sneaks up on us through little habits. It's that urge to keep refreshing your feed for new updates, or feeling anxious if you're away from your phone for too long. Addiction hooks onto our brains, making us crave those likes, comments and notifications, giving us a quick rush of happiness that fades away too soon. You might not realize it, but addiction to phones and social media can mess with our brains just like any other addiction. It messes with our focus, making it hard to pay attention in class or enjoy a conversation without thinking about that notification ping. And the more we use it, the more our brains get used to it, wanting even more, like a never-ending cycle. But hey, understanding addiction is the first step to breaking free from its grip. So let's gear up, because we're about to unravel the secrets to taking control of our screens and reclaiming our time for the things that truly matter. Identifying signs of addiction. All right, Radiant Rebels, let's shine a light on the impact of this digital addiction. You see, being glued to our phones and drowning in social media notifications isn't just a harmless pastime. It can take a toll on our mental health, productivity, and relationships. First up, mental health. Imagine feeling anxious or stressed when you can't check your phone or social media. That's the thing about addiction. It can mess with our emotions. Scrolling through perfect posts can make us feel like everyone else's life is way better than ours, even though those posts might just show the highlight reel. It's like comparing our backstage to someone else's grand performance, and that's not fair on our minds. And productivity. Oh boy, addiction to screens can turn even the most focused person into a master procrastinator. Those 5-minute breaks for a quick scroll turn into hours lost in a digital labyrinth. Suddenly, that homework or work project takes forever to finish, and those dreams of becoming a productivity guru fade away faster than a Snapchat message. Let's not forget about relationships. Ever been guilty of half listening to a friend's story because you were busy replying to messages? Yep, guilty as charged. Our addiction to screens can put a strain on our real-life connections. It's like our phones create this invisible wall between us and the people right in front of us. And those genuine moments, they become rare gems buried under endless notifications. But hey, don't worry. We're not here to dwell on the negatives. We're here to take charge, flip the script, and reclaim our mental space, productivity, and meaningful relationships. So get ready to discover some game-changing tips to break free from this digital web and live our best, most vibrant lives. Radiant Rebels, let's take a peek into the mirror and spot some common signs that might indicate our phone and social media habits have taken over a bit too much. First up, the constant need to check. Do you find yourself reaching for your phone every few minutes, even when you know there might not be anything new? That's a telltale sign. It's like your phone has become a magnetic force, pulling your hand towards it without you even realizing. Then there's that uneasy feeling when you're away from your phone. Ever felt anxious or restless when you leave your phone behind or when the battery dies? That's your brain craving that digital fix, and it's totally normal to feel a bit uneasy without it. What about mindless scrolling? You know, when you start scrolling through feeds without any purpose or end goal in mind. It's like falling into a social media trance where time flies faster than Superman, and suddenly, hours vanish without you noticing. And hey, let's not forget about the classic just one more minute syndrome. You tell yourself you'll check your messages for a minute, but that minute turns into an hour or more. It's that tricky illusion of time when you're lost in the digital universe. Spotting these behaviors doesn't mean we're in trouble. It just means we're becoming more aware. And awareness is the first step to taking back control and finding that sweet balance between our digital and real lives. So get ready to learn some cool tricks to reshape these habits and reclaim our time for things that truly light up our world. Radiant Rebels, let's delve into how this digital addiction can twist our emotions and affect our mental well-being. Imagine feeling a rush of excitement when your phone buzzes, signaling a new message or like. That instant joy. Yeah, that's a dopamine hit, a quick burst of happiness. But here's the catch. It's short-lived. Soon after, you might feel like you need more of those likes or messages to keep that happy feeling going. And then there's the comparison game. Scrolling through picture-perfect posts might make us feel like our own lives aren't as cool or exciting. It's like our happiness gets tangled up in comparing our behind-the-scenes to someone else's highlight reel. And that's not fair to ourselves because let's face it, Nobody's life is picture perfect all the time. Let's talk about stress too. Ever felt stressed because you missed a notification or worried about not getting enough likes? It's like these digital platforms create this invisible pressure cooker, making us feel like we always need to be connected or validated. And that constant need can leave us feeling exhausted and drained. But fear not, rebels. We're here to untangle these emotions, break free from the comparison trap, and find joy in real, genuine moments. It's all about understanding how these digital spaces affect our emotions and taking steps to create a healthier, happier relationship with our screens. So get ready to discover some awesome strategies to reboot our emotional well-being and bring back that radiant glow. Remember, your thoughts and experiences matter. Feel free to share your journey or insights in the comments below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more empowering content. Your support means the world. Strategies to overcome addiction. Being intentional with how we use our phones and social media can be a game changer in reclaiming our time and mental space. First things first, setting boundaries. It's like creating a little map for ourselves in this digital world. Tip 1. Try setting specific time limits for phone usage. It could be as simple as dedicating, say, 30 minutes in the morning and evening for scrolling through social media. Having these clear time limits helps prevent that endless scrolling saga. Next up, designate some phone-free zones. Think of these as little sanctuaries where your phone isn't invited. Your bedroom during bedtime or the dining table during family meals. These zones can become havens where you can truly disconnect and focus on real-life connections and moments. Ever heard of the airplane mode trick? Yep, it's not just for flying. Switching your phone to airplane mode during study sessions or quality time with friends can be a total game changer. It's like hitting pause on the digital distractions and hitting play on being present in the moment. Oh, and notifications! Don't let them boss you around. Customize your notification settings to limit the number of alerts you receive. Trust me, your Instagram likes can wait until you're ready to give them attention. By being intentional with our phone usage, setting boundaries, and creating phone-free zones, we're taking charge of our digital space. It's all about finding that sweet spot where technology adds value to our lives without taking over. So get ready to embark on this mindful journey and discover the power of a balanced digital lifestyle. Radiant Rebels, let's talk about the wonders of a digital detox. Taking breaks from social media can be like hitting the reset button for our minds and souls. First off, the benefits are like a breath of fresh air for our mental health. It's like giving our brains a vacation from the constant buzz of notifications. When we take a break, we might notice reduced stress levels, better sleep, and more time for things we truly love, like hobbies or spending quality time with loved ones. So how do we embark on this digital detox journey? Start small. Maybe begin by scheduling short breaks, like an hour or two, away from your phone or social media each day. It's like dipping your toes into the detox pool before diving in. Set a longer detox period too, like a weekend or a few days. It's like a mini vacation from the digital world. Use this time to reconnect with nature, dive into a good book, or explore new activities that don't involve screens. Trust me, the joy of discovering these off-screen adventures is like finding hidden treasures. And hey, don't worry if it feels weird at first. Breaking habits takes time, but with each detox it gets easier. You might even notice feeling more present, more focused, and more in tune with the world around you. So let's embrace the magic of a digital detox. It's not about saying goodbye to technology forever. It's about finding that balance that makes us feel happier, more refreshed, and ready to radiate positivity in our lives. Practical tips and techniques. Ever heard of the phone basket game? Gather friends or family and toss your phones into a basket during hangouts or meals. Whoever checks their phone first has to do a funny dance or tell a silly joke. It's a fun way to unplug together and bond without the digital distractions. Now for alternative activities. How about exploring a new hobby? Painting, hiking, or learning to play a musical instrument. These activities can be like unlocking new worlds of fun and creativity. Or dive into a good book. Reading can transport us to magical places without a single screen in sight. Remember, seeking support is totally cool too. Don't hesitate to talk to friends, family, or even professionals if you feel like your phone habits are becoming a bit too overwhelming. Sometimes, a helping hand or a friendly ear can make a world of difference in finding that balance between our digital and real lives. So let's roll up our sleeves and dive into these practical techniques. We're on a mission to reshape our screen habits and explore a world beyond pixels and notifications. It's all about finding joy in the simple, offline moments that make our lives truly vibrant. Maintaining a balanced digital lifestyle. Radiant rebels, finding balance between our digital and real lives is like creating harmony in a song. It's super important to strike that balance because our digital world is amazing, but so is the world right outside our screens. Think of it as a seesaw. Too much time on our phones or social media can tilt the balance, leaving our real-life experiences hanging in the air. But when we find that equilibrium, spending quality time online while also cherishing moments offline, it's like the seesaw rests perfectly level and we get the best of both worlds. Now for long-term strategies. It's all about creating healthy habits that stick around. How about setting a weekly tech-free day? Choose a day to disconnect from screens and focus on things that light up your soul, like exploring nature, trying new hobbies, or simply enjoying quality time with friends and family. Another cool strategy: mindful usage. Before unlocking your phone, ask yourself, is this necessary right now? It's like giving your brain a pause button to decide whether you really need to dive into the digital world at that moment, or if there's something more meaningful to do. And hey, don't forget to celebrate the victories. When you manage to balance your screen time and enjoy real-life moments, give yourself a high five. Recognizing your efforts can motivate you to keep up the good work in maintaining that balanced digital lifestyle. So let's weave these strategies into our lives like a tapestry, creating a beautiful balance between our online and offline worlds. It's about crafting a life where technology adds value without overshadowing the vibrant experiences that make our days truly extraordinary. Radiant rebels. Maintaining balance is key. Whether it's a weekly tech-free day or practicing mindful usage by asking ourselves if scrolling is necessary at the moment, these long-term strategies help us sustain a healthy relationship with technology. Now, rebels, it's time to take that first step. Breaking free from our phone and social media addiction isn't about overnight changes. It's about small, intentional steps every day. So, let's embark on this journey together, finding joy in the offline moments and creating a life where technology complements our experiences instead of overshadowing them. That being said, let's embrace these strategies and techniques one step at a time and embark on this adventure towards a more balanced, vibrant life.